Morning mga choy. So as you can see mga choy no is ilista rin dapita kay ready na tamo atong eskwelahan mga choy no. So uban ni kun ninyo karong adlaw mga choy kun sa mga panghitabo sa akong adlaw while ga-discuss na mo discussan ta mo or istoryahan ta mo unsay differences between the professional development and personal development. So professional development mga choy is this refers to the continuous process of improving one's skills, knowledge, and competencies related to a specific career or profession. So like for example, ana choy so like for example, ikaw teacher ka. So what type of skills or kana mga knowledge na imong i-improve na mga choy. So if you are a teacher mga choy, so ang first things first nga imo yung i-improve is how you teach a kid or how you teach a person. And second one is how you handle your students. So when we talk naman na personal development, personal development is the process of improving oneself in terms of character, values, attitudes, and emotional well-being. So which means choy ang kaning mga personal development choy is mo na siya nga ng mga na improvement sa ato ang kaugalingon mga choy nga how can we become a better person mga choy no. So how can we growth as an good individual nga mahimog like for example para nako nga mahimog future law enforcer. So how can I improve myself to become a good model in the future. So that's the difference between professional development and personal development. So when we say professional development is mo na siya um, kanang improving one's skills related sa tuang profession. While personal development is mo ni siya ang kanang tuang improving oneself or atuang kaugalingon to become a better person nga mag-lead sa other people mga choy no. So more toy differences between the professional development and personal development. And let's go to wasan na niglanta. Okay, mo ni na itabo sa akong the rest of the day. So as you can see din dapita choy nahumana ra gyud ang among klase mga choy no. So after na klase mga choy nanguli na mi ug see you next day sa akong next vlog.